Zoo is a toy company, one of the most innovative toy companies in the industry, known as the fastest growing toy company in the industry. One of our core prerogatives is to find really innovative toys, so things that change the norm, something that's going to really add a bit of spark to the industry, something different, something new, something fresh. Being able to look at an item and determine whether it's going to have that wow factor, that X factor, that is going to be seen by the consumer to be something they need, that they want. And having a good understanding of that, I think, is really critical to the commercial viability of an item. So hopefully I'll be able to help out in supporting in that, and also understanding the price points, where it needs to sit to actually be a success.